camera, action started. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now we on at the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me da buy a house, a car. Me the girls them funny, but that's a if I probably a when. Or if you get lucky, it really all depends on me and me crew. We better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me and me crew. Me say we better than me. We are them other man. Yes, we are them other man.
Come. What happened to you now? How was the show?
Show was good. But the guys did not get paid. Oh, nobody got paid.
Did I? Or did I not warn you?
Mommy, please, not now.
So what happened?
Grabsy.
Did I? Or did I not warn you about that criminal?
You, my youth, brethren.
Where I said that the weather burn.
Yes, I was wondering, have you still got that goat? Yes, because I'm interested in buying it.
You want to buy a goat you don't even like?
No, I like that. I like it, my youth. I mean, no. Do you want to sell it?
You think you're smart? The goat gone. Don't like this neighborhood.
Don't you lie to me. I know you've got that goat. I mean, what do you think I am? Huh? A goat head? Listen, I heard it this morning, and actually, I think I'm going to call the police on you. I mean, how did you people manage to get around these parts anyway?
Same way you got into these parts. We bought a house. You know what? It's better you treat us good, you know. It's better for your health if you do that, you know. You know? Because I'm going to be here longer than you, you know. In the future.
I wouldn't bet on that.
Yes, mister. I gotta make my party sell off. Come in.
Hi, Pumpkin. Are you okay? What's that noise? I brought your favorite milk and peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Mom, you shouldn't have.
Oh, that's my baby. Always so considerate. Oh.
No, really, you shouldn't have.
Oh. I love you. Have a good night now. Don't forget to say your prayers.
Night, Mom.
Night, darling.
So where I say, yes, precious man, where I say, girl? No, Junior. No, sir. Him gone on the road. You know, these young people stay ready. Say him gone sport.
Then be, you know, I'm not like a man friend you can die to over, girl.
Lord, no, me love. Free and single.
Me wish me did single like you. But you know, me can't do without my little Ronald. He make me feel complete, you see.
Me alright. Me can't do without one. Me alright. Anyway, forget about that. So, we are soon now come check me.
Yes.
Me will send Joe for you. You the able find up at these parts.
Alright, so later, girl. Yeah, man.
Alright, later. Okay.
Oh, Cherry, oh, Cherry. I miss you so much. I wish you were here, darling. We've got some new neighbours. Yes. Guaranteed to bring down the dollar value of our property. One young lad, you know, and his jang-bang mother. They're vulgar talking, vulgar music. But at least it gives me something to do, Cherry. Oh, I miss you so dearly, darling.
I know them set of teeth anywhere I see them. Only Joe can keep a bring that long. Me, I'm gonna reach. Jesus.
Oh, Lord B, the way how Joe drive, me swear how far in you live.
What you mean?
Oh, Jesus, a long time we drive, you know. And then just I go up. Then when I time me swear I fly, me I fly. You see when me look out through the window and look down, all me can see the little house way down low below me. How far in this man? Look on the house them round here.
Same way me used to think, like how you think precious. But cha, get used to it now. Come man, come, let me give you a grand tour.
Tour?
Yeah.
Not for tourists. Me up on the work. Call when I finish.
All right, later.
All right,
Come,
Joe.
precious, come girl, let me show you the place. And this is the kitchen.
Gee, but this here kitchen bigger than the whole of my little place. Boy, B, you have it good.
Come, let me show you the pool.
Pool?
Yes, man, come, surprise, shut your eyes.
So me fi shut me eye.
Check this out.
God no, my bad mind you. Me want win lotto too.
Yes, me know, precious. But money is one thing we bring on bad mind. And although me leave from out of the ghetto, me never expect you to follow me all the way up here, so amongst the rich.
What? Up here so?
What you mean? I hope you saw it there. Nuff. Bad mind people, they everywhere.
Wow. You could have put on a big stage over there, so you're
Where?
a girl.
Where?
Make Movad and Cartel clash right here, so.
What is wrong with you?
Over my dead body. It's not going to happen.
How that?
Oh, me next door neighbor, I'm fast, you see?
So you want me put him in a place
no,
for
no,
you?
no.
Hello, I care not for what you say. All I know is that you vagabonds will never be allowed to bring down the price of my property.
It's who you call vagabond.
Right, precious man, all right. I don't want you bring too much attention to the yard.
Hey, you lucky say me not live up here, say no.
Oh, yeah? Oh, so what you gonna do then? Shoot me?
All boy, just cool yourself, you hear me? Cool yourself and own a corner, man, and mind your own business.
And that is what I intend to do.
Baby. It's not Maka, baby.
Hype, I always have respect for you. Don't make me lose it. This baby is Maka's baby.
All right. You guys started out on very risky behavior, you know. It's time to do something about it. I don't know whose baby it is, you know. The most I can say is to want to get a test.
Get tested for what?
HIV.
What me need to get tested for HIV for?
Suzanne, you and Maka have been having unprotected sex. You accuse Maka of having another woman. You was in a relationship with someone else when the two of you got started.
I don't know nothing about no HIV.
Well, this is my position. Two of you get tested. When the baby born, they do a DNA test, just to remove all doubt. I'll give my support along the way. All right? All right. Later.
Later.
So what shall I say?
It's everything Christmas.
Alright. Alright. Later.
Yep. Night, mommy.
Night. How you doing? Is it
Aye, this is Grabsy, you know. You're bonafide.
What the fuck? Where's my money?
I have it here. Put it in your pocket. Don't make nobody see it. Too much beggars.
How much is?
50 grand, the contracted amount. But when you check it, you can get 45 and have a good explanation.
Oh, You know what? Come on with that.
I'm going to use the bathroom.
All right.
Where I find it?
Oh, just go all the way around the patio. And P, you remember, use the remote.
For the bathroom?
Grabsy, let me tell you this. I have an obligation to make sure my group survives. You hear me? I have to make sure this works.
The bathroom is something else, eh?
Like the place nice and precious. Me say me love up here, you see. One thing though, it kinda get lonely at times.
But you don't have no luck with money. My man him did hang on like Snoopy.
Oh, Festus.
The other day he tell me you want baby.
With who?
No me. Me tell him to wait.
Wait, pan what? A whole fool like you wanna talk about baby. Look here, precious. Look here. At our age, you not talk about babies, you see? Lad, what a way the little frock will make you look nice for you. You did like it?
Rich.
Like it.
Thank you.
One P, you not hungry?
What about the mackerel?
Mackerel? I don't cook mackerel. You want some swims?
Yes.
Alright, come. And you can get little for carry down for them picnic.
Aye. I need the money right now. How much you can lend me?
Aye, Grabsy, I can't lend you none. Right now I'm broke.
So, aye, you gonna make me leave without a cent to pay the rent or even buy something?
Alright. I will lend you some money.
How much?
I don't know yet.
What do you mean you don't know?
Come, let me show you the money. This goat value 4 grand. If I give you this goat and you sell it, you can pay me back my money.
Aye, don't do this to me, man. Don't do this to me, aye.
Lord God, Grabsy, don't make it look so bad. Don't make it sound so, man. If you sell this goat for 4 grand, in less than a week, you can pay me back my money. And then you can be on Glory Street.
Aye, let me tell you something. I'm a big man. And I don't sell goat. Watcha, man. Next time, don't insult me them way there. But aye, why are you doing this to me?
Meh. Life is like a school. You have to learn every day.
Look here, aye. This is the first and the last time you're going to ever get to disrespect me like this. See?
I hope so. Mine and your friendship's sake. Now sell thy goat.
Where you guys get them phone ring? When it's not dog barking, his baby crying.
Yes. I'm on my way. How are the kids doing? Good. What flavor ice cream you say I must buy again?
Hold on. Where it? It's what goat are doing on my car.
Driver, if somebody give me the goat, how much more are you going to charge?
Charge? The only charge you go and get is a criminal charge. You have the audacity if you have a stolen goat in my car.
But driver, the goat is not stolen.
Tell it to the police. You know, long I want to catch a goat thief.
I am not a goat thief, driver. It's get it.
Well, show me the receipt. Show me the receipt, or else you can't leave here.
All right, you know, make you talk to me. I'm going to call my friend. Again, call my friend and let you talk to him.
I don't talk to strangers. And don't you dare touch that phone.
But me have... Sure.
So, I'm going to do test tomorrow. Follow me now. I can ask Hype to carry us.
I don't know. I'm afraid.
But me afraid too. But a true thing, what Hype was saying still.
I'll call in the morning and let you know.
Okay, baby.
I'm telling you the goat is mine, sir.
That is why we put you in the cell together.
Sir, is there an Officer Varanga here, sir?
There is no Officer Varanga here. There is only a Sergeant Varanga.
That is what I meant to say, sir.
And you don't remember the sergeant's rank?
No, sir.
You go and buy that goat to bed.
I'm not buying no goat, you know. You see the one Hype. You see you, never again.
So where's the goat?
Don't keep him for questioning.
Susan chicken out for me. And I don't know what I'm going to do if this thing should go wrong.
Don't worry, cuz. Everything going to be good. Worst like it's not a same time thing, you know. You have to wait like 4 working days. Take it easy, man.
What? 4 days? It's like 4 days of hell. You have any idea what I'm going through?
Carey Campbell?
Yes?
Follow me.
Yo, Mayo. Oh, you keep pole party and I tell none of it. Eh?
Mayo, what you talk about?
Wow, we're not good enough or uptown enough for your party.
Mayo, what you talk about? What is? Bomba. Where know that you from? Haka?
Yowski.
Where you from?
You're a big fan, man. Your brethren.
Oh, the youth from the gas station. You know what? I crashed the party, you know. About 9 o'clock.
So good.
Hear that?
Yeah.
Link.
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 Ah.
Find the boy.
For real. We have to get some money off of this party. Must be someone. See the boy, I know.
My youth. Me a spread all type of lie and I talk about me a big friend. My youth. Me know you. Eh? Me know you. Who is you? Yeah, where you get that picture here? You know, say I take the boy, take a picture of me when me there at the shop the other day, you know. Yo, Grabsy, look here. My youth. What you really are dealing with? Eh? You can't trust nobody nowadays, you know. You know what? Easy up.
Ease him up. Ease him up with a kick.
Nah, man. You what? Just go get the box at the gate. Yeah? You are going now, Jonathan. You see the gate? Everything where the gate, we are take that. See anything we get at the bar, we can keep that.
It's all inclusive, the drinks I'm free.
Tough, my youth. So it go. You see me? Tough. But I go perform a little thing for the people them still, you know. Come and know them come to see me.
Hold it, Mario. Hold it. You know so me I see.
What?
A pure bull there in here, man. This dancer needs some girls.
Real thing, you know.
A cucumber.
What kind of dance here?
Select a run tune there. Yeah, Billa vibes.
Hello world, hello girls. I want to say big up everybody who inside the party, promote and worry yourself. Remix, big up yourself, but right now, this is the part where everybody are waiting for the whole innocent crew inside the house. Clumsy Daps, big up yourself. Easy Benzly Hype, Easy Copper, Macadocious, big up yourself. But right now, everybody just gather around because this is a part of everybody expect right now. None other than the man himself, Benzly Hype!
Yo, Cigar remix. Yo, be there, look at it. I went them. One another dancer. I will never try to. Run out for. You don't feel that none of you. I want to. You too cool for that. Yeah. There's only one cigar and there will never be another. Anyone of you can do whatever to them, mother, them brother, them sister, cousin, auntie, really doesn't matter. You'll never be good enough because I follow you are color.
I wear my sunglasses at night cause they make me look.
So you wanna be me, wanna see me dressed like me, we mix him up, bust the party, yo.
I wear my sunglasses at night cause they make me feel.
When we're not the new car, boy, a school star, but the cool star, so you're a superstar. We're not the best, we're highly connected, so you're respected. Hype! Camera, action, start it. Run out of gas, try push, no park it. No problem, a Jamaican target. We get a couple million now, we on the target. You ever think what you would do if you get this money? Me that buy